Oh, okay. So we're live. There's just some latency. Kira, excuse my what's it called? Excuse my lack of man, and now somebody's at the door. Give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So we're live. There's just some latency. Kira, excuse my what's it called? Excuse my lack of man, and now somebody's at the door. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. So we're live. There's just some latency. Kira, excuse my what's it called? Excuse my lack of now somebody's at the door. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Kira, when I tell you everything that could go wrong went wrong, that's what happened.
That's pretty much me in summary.
All right, let's get back at it. Um,
Can we start off with the problems that I've been fighting for my life for?
Sure. And I forgot to turn my camera off on this other thing. It's okay. We're having fun.
All right.
What happened now? Okay. So, remind me, what was the question you were having an issue with?
All right. So I know you texted it to me. Which one am I gonna pick? Because there's a couple. I'm gonna say the fluid ounces, right? So number 9, I attempted that one. It was number 1. It was number 1. But it was like 5, 6 fluid ounce plus 3 tablespoons. So we can change that real quick. So which one am I going to pick? I'm going to say the fluid ounces, right? So number 9. Hmm.
I
Center that one.
Okay. I'm just making sure everybody at home can hear you, which it seems like they can. They're picking you up through my desktop mic.
All right.
Perfect. Okay, sweet.
So let me know to get back to the metric versus imperial system thing. Oh, remember it's 5, 6 fluid ounce.
Got it. 5, 6 fluid ounce.
And it was plus 3 tablespoons, but we could really keep 26 milliliters for something different if you want.
No, let's go over what you were having issue with.
All right. So 3 tablespoons. All right. We'll deal with this one then. All right, let me know when you're ready.
I will do. I'm just trying to. There we go. Okay. Now I am ready. Yeah, just walk me through how we would make this conversion.
All right. So first I'm gonna start with 3 tablespoons because that was the easiest. So first we know. Oh, let me get my annotation tool out so this is easier. All right. So of course we know 3 tablespoons, which is this right here. Just 1 tablespoon is 3 tablespoons, pretty much. Well, teaspoons. My bad. 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. So that means this right here would be 1 tablespoon. But we have a larger group to put that together because we know that 2 tablespoons is 30 milliliters or a whole ounce. So first we can take this massive chunk and just put them into our beaker. I don't remember the name this time. All right. So now we have an ounce, or in this case, we'll just stick to 2 tablespoons. All right. Next, we need 1 more tablespoon, so that'd be 3 teaspoons. So we'll take this group right here and just drag them into the middle section. All right, now we have that done with. So we're good with that. So now we're going for 5, 6 fluid ounce. So let's just use representation because even I struggle with this. So we know that a fluid ounce is 1 tablespoon. So let's use this last beaker so we don't confuse things right now.
Are we sure 1 fluid ounce is a tablespoon? I thought a tablespoon was a tablespoon.
I mean, wait. Actually, but look. This is 1 tablespoon right here. And we know a fluid ounce is half at this point right here. So let me explain that better. So pretty much we know a fluid ounce in our terms is 15 milliliters. So we got 5, 10, and then 15 right here. And then 15 milliliters is also a singular tablespoon. So then it'd be 1 fluid ounce right here.
You got a lot right, but I want to. Okay, so you're saying that these units right here are a tablespoon. I mean, are a fluid ounce, right?
Yes.
Then what is this shape here?
Then that shape is a full ounce.
Ah, okay. I understand where the confusion is. So, you come over. Oh no! Don't get rid of your annotations. Don't get rid of your annotations. Fluid ounce is the same as in like this OZ is the same as fluid ounce. So, not in everything though. Okay, I need to make that clear. there is a unit for ounces and weight. But in this case, we're using it for fluid. They have the same name. It's very confusing. All right. So a fluid ounce is not half of a tablespoon. A fluid ounce is the same as an ounce. How can I put this? The fluid ounce and we just simplified it for the sake of this exercise by calling it OZ. But really it's FLOZ. All of these. When you're talking about liquid, someone might just say ounces instead of fluid ounces, like 8 ounces of water. But really, they're talking about it. They're saying 8 fluid ounces of water.
Okay, so I'm getting it. So when I used to call this a fluid ounce, a half a fluid ounce, it wasn't exactly wrong. I was just having a misunderstanding of what a fluid ounce and an ounce was.
Right.
So
you were 100% right in saying that, yes, this is half of a fluid ounce, or a tablespoon is half of a fluid ounce. Right? But it's half of a tablespoon is not 1 fluid ounce.
Okay.
It's a tablespoon.
Glad we addressed that. Now that could make life so much simpler.
Me too. I feel like I could have explained that a little bit easier, but you get it, right?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay.
Alright, so now that we have that clear, now we're just looking for 5/6 of a fluid ounce, which is just an ounce. Okay. So what I'd like to do to break down these types of equations is just to bring out the full ounce first, just to get the visuals in there. So now we're looking for 5/6. So pretty much we know. How can I explain this and put this into an easier perspective? We're looking for 5/6 pretty much. So I presume we're looking for a group that's going into whatever 6 times. So let me just think about this for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, you have 6 units. That's 5 out of 6. So from my understanding, wouldn't it be like this amount? Wouldn't it be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teaspoons?
100%. You are 100% correct. So what would I need to do to make this 5/6 of a fluid ounce?
That means first we just remove this right here, and then
remove the whole group.
Well, if you can break it apart some way. But what we can do is take this one off the take 1 teaspoon off the top to make it 5/6 of fluid ounce or ounces.
Very good. For the simplicity right now, I'm just going to clear that out and carry in 2 other units.
Okay.
There we go. So we cleared a tablespoon and then we brought in 2 teaspoons.
All right. So we can say this in multiple ways. We could be like the answer is if you want to calculate these milliliters, it could be 30 milliliters. Hold on. 30. No, we're not doing all that. I'm going to simplify that. All right. So we know, of course, we have 30 milliliters, and then we have an additional 30. Because let's say we just put this teaspoon up at the top, right? We could just do that, and then it'd be simplified to 2. Ooh, I messed that up bad. Hold on. 4 tablespoons, and then it'd be reduced to 1, 2. It'd be 2 teaspoons. Pretty much. So that could be a simplified answer.
Perfect.
Or if you want to do the milliliters, go ahead. But that's the simplest answer I'm going to give. So 4 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons.
That's perfect. Very good. Now, how would we organize this in ounces?
In ounces?
In terms of fluid ounces.
Mm. Hold on. In fluid ounces.
What
we can do is we can make this all individual right here, or one other way we could just take out a full group, a full 30 ounces, and put them into the beaker and remove 1 ounce from
this right here. How can I do that? I'm gonna just set it up. All right. So I remember these. So you could just like remove these two real quick, just so for the example. So what we can do is just pretty much swap places. How do I do it?
If we wanted them to swap places, we could just shift this over here and.
Yeah,
but like
I wanted to remove this one and just bring out a full piece. A full.
Okay, so clear those teaspoons.
And carry that in. And then now that we have that full piece, we can break this apart because now it should be two remaining.
Got it. So I'll clear that out.
And bring it into individual teaspoons. Boom. So now these two each hold, well, 1 ounce. So it'd be 2 ounces right here. And then that means, now if this is 2 ounces right here, this would be 2/6 of a fluid ounce. So pretty much it'd just be 2 ounces. I cannot draw for anything. And 2/6 of a fluid ounce. Like that. What you thinking? All right. We could say 10 milliliters. Simplify the fraction. 36. I'm having a slow moment, I'm not gonna lie. 2/6, simplify the fraction. Let me think on it for a second. What is it? Maybe like 2/3. Wait. 2/3. Oh shoot! It'd be like 1/3. All right, I got you. So first of all, we know that two can go into 6 3 times. So now that we only have one group of 2, that means it'd be 1/3, 1 out of 3 groups of 6. If that makes sense.
That makes perfect sense. Can you annotate out those like shadow?
All right, I got
shadow groups.
All right, so this would be 1/3. So now these shadow groups, this would be 2/3 right here. And then this one would be 3/3 or just a full ounce right there. But yeah. So yeah, we change this to 1/3. All right. So it'll be 2 ounces and 1/3 of fluid ounce. All right. I'm looking at the paper that I wrote this on to see what answer I got. Good God, I got, I don't know, how did I get 55.5 milliliters? No question. All right. Let me see. You want me to choose from the other similar ones, or should we work on? Should we work on number 10 for the font? Let's work on number 10. That's the one you really decide. Oh yeah. Not
Not
today.
today.
All right.
All right.
So for number 10, we have 4/3 of fluid ounce.
Mm-hmm.
4/3 of a fluid ounce. Okay.
Plus 2
2
teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Plus 3 and 1/5 tablespoon.
Yeah, this one is tricky.
Yeah. What's your thing? Challenge.
Let's just remember to break it up into pieces and to place the values that we see, okay?
So let's clear the original space right here.
Let's do that.
So fresh start.
And give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm getting some what's it called? Because I didn't set this up properly. But it's okay.
Some delay.
Yeah, there's some like your voice is playing through my mic, so it's coming up like double because it's playing out of my speaker right now. But I need to let me see if this is a quick fix.
While you're at it, kick my friend out the chat.
Say what?
Kick my friend out the stream, please. Yeah. He's in there. He's being a public disturbance.
Why can't he watch? Why can't he be in on the fun?
Just a disturbance. A nuisance.
Let's see what he's saying.
Saying anything right now, but... Okay, he's telling me to chill. All right. You can say.
Okay, perfect. Let me just see if I can get this set up. And now I'm getting a phone call too. Give me a second.
All right.
1 second. All right. So let's see. There we go. All right, Kira, now try to say something. Hey, Kira.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I got it fixed now. Okay. Perfect. Now your voice shouldn't be coming up double. Okay.
Okay.
Sick. Perfect. Okay. Let's keep it moving.
Alright. I'm gonna start off with the biggest values first. I like to break it down. Alright. So first we have 3 and 1/5 tablespoon. Alright. So we know we need 3 tablespoons. So we know a full beaker is 2 tablespoons. So let's drag that over. Alright, and to get one more tablespoon, we just need to add 3 teaspoons to another beaker. Boom. So now we need that 1/5 value. Alright. So 1/5 of a tablespoon. 1/5. Let me think about that real quick. Because these be actually getting
Let me know when you like some help.
Okay. We know. I'm thinking of individual values real quick. 1/5 of a tablespoon. That's 3 right there. Put in that. So 1/5 of a tablespoon. There's 5 milliliters in a tablespoon. You know what? Help me out here.
Okay.
I wanna see what you're thinking.
We're gonna drop down over here. Right here, we have our tablespoon.
Yeah.
Right? And tablespoons are made up of 3 teaspoons. Or 1 tablespoon is made up of 3 teaspoons, excuse me. How many milliliters go inside of 1 teaspoon?
So the 5. So then, does that mean that it just be 1 teaspoon?
Not quite. We're gonna work our way up there, okay? I just want to make sure that we visualize this for ourselves real quick. Okay? So we've got 5 milliliters inside of 1 teaspoon. Now, can 3 be broken up into 5 equal pieces cleanly?
No.
So that's why we're having difficulty finding this 1/5. So let's break this tablespoon and 3 teaspoons into
Milliliters.
Milliliters, yes. Let's break it down into 15 milliliters.
Okay.
All right. Now, how many milliliters do we have in total?
15 milliliters.
Very good. Can 15 be broken down into 5 parts?
Yes, it can.
And what would the value of each of those 5 parts be?
To the 5 parts would be... I'm just doing the math. I know that 5 times 3 is 15.
Very good.
Yeah.
So 3 would go into 15 5 times. So let's outline that. We have a group of 3 here. Yeah, you go ahead and annotate it for me.
All right, so we got this one group of 3. You got 6. Where is it? 9. All right. 12. And then we have our 15. Why is my name in the way? It needs to move. All right, 15. Boom.
Perfect.
Our parts.
Awesome. So now, if we come back over here to our puzzle, 3 tablespoons and 1/5. 3 and 1/5 tablespoons. So we already brought out our 3 right here. So from what we just saw earlier, what would be 1/5 of a tablespoon?
So it would just be 3 milliliters. Okay.
Perfect.
So we know what our milliliter pieces look like. They're just, well, it can be both of these. We're just going to use the regular line for this one. So we'll just drag that on top of our ounces right there. Well,
tablespoon. So it'll be 1 milliliter, 2, and then we have our third one once you copy it. Boom. All right. Now we go to our 2 teaspoons. That is easy. A teaspoon is just 5 milliliters, or this block right here. So what we do is take 2 of these. So we'll put them, well, hold on. You know what? I just don't like the way it looks right there. Let's put them right here in this empty spaced one. What? Yep. And then just duplicate it. So it could be 2. So that's 1 teaspoon. And then that's 2 teaspoons. All right. Now we have to deal with 4/3 of fluid ounce. Okay, gotta remember what you told me about that one. So 4/3 is over 3. So we'd already have a whole ounce, a whole fluid ounce, because it's 4/3. It's not 3/3 or 2/3. So we have a hole in there and be left with 1/3 left. So it'd be like 1 1/3 of a fluid ounce. Right. All right, I had to just break that down a bit. So in that case, that we do have a full ounce. Well, I guess that's why we should move this back up there. Okay, so I guess to have more space, we can either add another beaker or just move this up there. But I just find it a little more confusing. I don't know. I like it broken a different way. But we'll just keep that up there.
We can move these pieces around however which way we want.
Yeah, so let's move these 2 teaspoons up at the top up here. Where the box is aligned, like right here, you know. All right. Yeah, in there. And then above that. Perfect. So now we already, dang, I just removed the ones above. I took care, I remember. All right, so we have 1 full ounce and 1/3 fluid ounce. So that means we'll just need to, where our full block go? Okay, that works. Bring in our full 30 milliliters or ounce into a beaker, and then we'd need an additional 1/3 left of an ounce. All right, so let me show 1, 2, 3. So 1/3, I'm gonna show you what 1/3 looks like. All right, for a fluid ounce, 1/3 would be 2 teaspoons, and here's why. This is 1/3 because this group of 2 can fit into, ooh, where we go. This group of 2 can fit into, let's say, what was 2 for 6? 6 3 times. Is there a better way I can explain this? Okay. Look, this is 1/3 right here, and because there's 3 spaces right here, these 2s can fit in here, and this group of 6 3 times. So this would be 1/3. This would be 2/3 right here, and furthermore, this would be 3/3. Oh, okay, that's horrible. But 3/3. That's my understanding. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking you're 100% correct. I mean, we can see pretty clearly, hey, if we were to split up this group into 3 even pieces, we would have 1, 2, 3 pieces.
It only gets complicated when you can't break up pieces all evenly.
Right.
What we did.
And we'll have strategies for that we can go over in the future, but when it comes to these measurements, they're pretty well already divided. You won't need to go into those unknown grouping systems very often. All right.
So then that means we just have to sum all this up, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
So we know already that we have 2 ounces because each of a full beaker right here, like we have here and here, is an ounce. So we have 2 ounces right here And then, well, we don't have a full ounce. 1, 2, 3. How can I break that up? Then it could be like 4, 5, 10, 15, 25. And we can do like 28 milliliters if you're counting all those milliliters, because each teaspoon holds 5 milliliters. So 5, 10, 15. We're going to skip those individual pieces for now. 20, and then 25. And then each of these lines right here is just an individual milliliter. So these are just 3. So it'd be 25, 26, 27, 28. So that'll give us our 28 milliliters right there. So it could be 2 ounces and 28 milliliters.
Spot on. I love that. And what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and I'll rearrange these shapes right here to help make them a little bit easier to see.
Okay.
So if we put them like this, then we can see, oh, we still need 2 more at the top in order to get the beaker full.
Yeah. 25. And then it's just plus 3. So it'd be, you know what? I think I'm making it more confusing. We'll just say 28 up here. 28. Boom. So that'd be 2 ounces and 28 milliliters. You could say it multiple ways, but that's the way I'm gonna keep it. All right.
Perfect.
Anything else?
No, yeah. That's that looks like it to me.
Let me see if I have any other ones I struggle with. Because now this makes the other fluid ounce equations, like literally the other fluid ounce ones that you gave me were the only ones I was struggling with, just all the fluid ounce ones. So I understand the fluid ounce is really just the same as an ounce, and I can have a better I also have a better understanding on how to break up these fractions into milliliters when we're not dividing them up evenly. I want to actually try them now as like a new assignment and record that in there.
You want to try a new what?
Okay, let me see. What was I doing? Like you have a couple ones with fluid ounce. Like you have number 9. They don't know what I'm talking about, but number 9, and then we have number 6, and those 2, I guess. But I didn't do those 2. Also, if you have any new ones you want to give me, you could do that as well. Because now that I feel like I got the gist of this, I feel like I can do it.
Okay.
Like, so just further challenging me, because now I actually kind of got the understanding of it.
Okay. Well, yeah, definitely. Well, I can definitely send you some more to get knocked out. We can then review again later.
Yeah, work on 9 and 6 in the meantime, because I didn't get to those. Oh, so you try to trick me up with number 9, because number 9 you said 5/6 of a fluid ounce plus 2/3 of an ounce.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
I was trying to. If you were going through it chronologically, you would have met the third of an ounce and so on and so forth before you got to before you got to the number 10.
Yeah. I was doing like 2, 1, 6, whatever ones I knew I could do, and then I tried number 1. I was going out of order. But just send me, if you can, just send me some more, because I want to actually put this into practice now. Well, further into practice.
Definitely. I'll definitely do that.
Please. But anything else? It's 6:17. What are we going to do?
Not at the moment. That's all I got for you this evening. I got some stuff to figure out with this stream, because your audio is coming in twice, which isn't making for the best experience. But that's my fault, not yours. So I'm gonna get that figured out. I'll probably just need to throw on some headphones or set up a push to talk But I think we did great for our first day in terms of live streaming. You did excellent per usual. You went through the activities very well.
I was fighting for my life. I took a while, but we spent a while on just 2 equations. I mean, I needed to understand it somehow. What better way to choose the hardest ones?
Right, exactly. Um, so yeah, we'll get it all figured out. You just go ahead and make sure that you record those other 2 activities and get those uploaded, and we can do the we can pick back up with some more tomorrow, some more fun ones. I'll have some prepared.
All right. In my free time, I'm gonna try to figure out why the other 2 videos that I had tried to upload didn't upload, or well, actually 3 didn't upload in my spare time.
Perfect. Well. Okay, got it. Sounds like a plan then. Sounds like a plan.
All right. Other than that, we're good. Have a good one.
All right. Same to you, Kira. I'll see you back here tomorrow.
See you back tomorrow.
Oh, and real quick, did your friend end up staying for the whole stream?
Let me see. Did he? Text me if you're here at the stream right now. Let me see. Did you stay for the stream? Possibly went out. He did say he was going somewhere.
Okay. Then but nah. We'll I'm just happy that he came in to view it. Thank you for sending it to your friend. I hope he enjoyed it. But we'll keep it up and get better and better every time. All right?
All right. He requested to see it, so I was like, fine.
Sweet.
But we're good to go.
Sounds like
not longer.
Then I'll talk to you tomorrow, Kira. You be safe.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining this stream this wonderful evening. I know we had some issues with the audio that I will make sure to get fixed. This is the first stream like this, but we'll keep on having some fun with it as time moves on. That's all I got for y'all today.